Hi folks, we're going to do the review on the 2012 Kandi Cyclone. They're now calling it the Sunday 250 MB. They've done some changes to the Cyclone. They've added this new air filter, wasn't there. They've reinforced back up over here. It still has some issues where it wants to pull to the left and the right. We're going to get to that in a minute here in the video. Supersportz, we've been selling these for about over 2.5 years now, and we're working side by side with Kandi, telling them the upgrades and the things they need to do to make this a better vehicle. They did add this new burn guard right here. Put a better exhaust. They've got a better chain guard here. The old one really didn't cut it. They upgraded the brakes in the back with the disc. They went to a larger disc brake. One thing they did in particular is they changed the radiation system. The radiator over here for the coolant, they've upgraded that. They put better hoses, upgraded the thermostat so it won't overheat. The biggest thing that they did to this, Matt's going to demonstrate right now. Matt, go ahead and get in there. They've upgraded the shock system, put better shock absorbers. And you can see Matt pulling down on it. Okay, so that's a good thing. And then right here they got the new tension bar right here. Matt points it out over there. Stabilizer. They added that stabilizer because that wasn't there. He just had double swing arms that Matt has his hand on now. And this one is going to be being shipped to Iowa, Des Moines, Iowa. Front end, they changed a little. Matt's going to get on it right now. But our overall opinion, it's doing a lot better this time around. But when we first got it, folks, these things do not come assembled anymore. They do not come assembled. They come in a crate. One thing that Supersportz does is we assemble this entire bike, as you can see. Okay? This is crucial because we test drove this bike. We're going to turn on the bike right now. As you can see, it starts right up.
No problem.
We put 13 miles on this thing, 13.2 miles, and tested it because it had a lot of issues. The lights were not working properly. It was all over the place. The alignment was out. If you're not a mechanic and you do not know how to put these together and you don't know how to fix them, you're going to have a lot of issues. You're going to be very upset. Now we sell this for $46.99. $46.99. There might be some other dealers out there going to sell for $45 and $44. Truth of the matter is, if you don't have this put together, you're going to have a lot of issues. And we ship this on a car carrier. Okay? So we ship this vehicle on a car carrier. As you can see, we're a licensed DMV. That's our permit right there. Unfortunately, we cannot sell in California yet. But this allows us to temporarily drive these things and make sure before we ship them that they're 100% turnkey ready to go. There's Matt going in reverse. Okay. And here he goes. And this is the new 2012 Kandi Cyclone. Okay, so just like the other one, they've done some upgrades here.
It's different. Before you went like this, you hit the back of your heel back and go in reverse. Now you go.
Now it's just one down, guys.
Down and then one up for reverse.
For reverse.
Reverse is up. Goes down.
And let it engage, and then go ahead and go forward. All right. So getting back over here, that's your ignition switch, okay? And here's your gas.
Here's how you turn it on.
That's how you turn it off, okay? And then you hold the handbrake, you start it. Supersportz.com, 1-800-578-8608. Call toll free. We have financing available. And there's the Kandi 2012 Cyclone / Sunday.